Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, guys, we are making pesto pasta with beef stir fry. This steak and pesto is as good as it gets when it comes to easy weekend night meals. One thing I like about this dish is so easy to prep, guys. It takes only 30 minutes and you are done. So let's start by cooking the pasta. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add salt, lots of salt, guys. Add the pasta to the water. Add pasta to the water. We are using Rotini pasta, guys. Stir a few times to prevent noodles from sticking together. Cook according to the package directions. Now let's move on to work on our stir fry. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the beef as soon as the oil starts sizzling. Cook and stir beef until well browned for about 3 to 4 minutes. Season with black pepper and salt. Add the bell peppers and the onions. Continue to cook until vegetables are tender. Next, we're gonna add garlic. Keep stirring. Next, we are going to season our beef mixture with Worcestershire sauce. Along with soy sauce. Keep stirring for another 30 seconds. Now we're gonna season with paprika, chili powder, and cayenne pepper. Give it a good mix. Continue to cook for another minute. The quick and easy stir fry is done, guys. Now let's move on to make the sauce for the pasta. In a medium skillet, add about 1 cup of heavy cream along with frozen peas. Allow it to boil until it reduces to half. Then we're gonna add pasta. One thing I like about this pesto pasta, it's easy to make, guys. It requires few ingredients, minimal prep time, but it's full of flavor and delicious. Toss in pesto, then stir to coat the pasta completely. Just like so, guys. Add mozzarella cheese along with parmesan cheese. Then season with salt. Stir to combine. And our dinner is ready to be served. To cook perfect pasta, cook it according to package directions and stirring it occasionally until al dente, or you can cook it to a softer side depending on your desired texture. Always test dry pasta for doneness after about 4 minutes of cooking by tasting it. And one thing, guys, always put salt. My starting rule of thumb is 1 tablespoon of salt for every 4 quarts. That's about 16 cups of water, and that's for 1 pound of pasta. When you cook pasta, make sure you add a generous amount of salt to your water. The noodles absorb the flavor of salt, not the sodium content. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama B's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.